million. So this is something else we not see before. But guys, normally the customer or the company start with an idea, and then they start to make the network marketing that we as a networkers and our clients bring in money to the company, okay? And then they start to delivering something, they start to build, they start to opening offices, they start to talk with the lawyers, they make the legal structure, and then they see, oh my God, that's so many costs. Maybe the system don't work, maybe they get not the license to the right time. But this guy starting 7 years ago, they start with his software trading 2020. So he invests his own money, put in the FTX account, trade his money to some million. 2020, FTX are gone. But this guy, they have a vision. He said, we cannot stop now. We have to go forward. He took his last 7 million. Go in with 5,000 BNB, worth of $5 million. And also he put $2 million in the trading in USDT. And now after 23 months, the account is blowing up over 120 millions, okay? Now, maybe you guys see also a lot, like me and Mr. Fox, we say, guy, maybe this account is not real, okay? Please log in and log out, log in again and go in with Google. So this guy doing for us only for the video also, he log in with Google, log in his Binance account and show us the money again, okay? And now before we start, I will show you something. Now, he asked in our community, hey guys, sending me please some wallets and I will transfer from his account to our wallets money that we can prove in the blockchain as everything is real and correct. So everybody was nervous. Then Mr. Fox, he wants to say USDT. Mr. Fox said, no, Mr. Felix, please send us BNB, that you don't can prepare anything. So he chose in this video BNB, choose some of the customer wallet in the chat. We have a lot of people that get the money. I will doing a little bit faster, okay? You see, it's a normal transaction. He choose the minimum transaction, the money. You see the normal security things, what in Binance happening. We was really nervous when this are happening. I know we have to work now really hard. And from this moment on, I work 20 hours a day for this company, where I see the big potential that this can be the next 1 billion company in the market, yeah? So he make the transaction, you see transaction are gone, and in the withdrawals they also show us here the hash ID. You see the hash ID is 5B2 is the hash ID. So now he get the confirmation, and what happened here, you see this guy left in the corner. He was shocked. He was shocked when he received the ping, the click from the MetaMask that the money arrived. And he showed us all live in this call that this money arriving in this call, his wallet. You see, he get in this wallet the money. It's around 60 cents. It's not much, but the proof is there so important. We check also in the MetaMask where the money come from in the blockchain. So here he refreshed the BNC scan, and you see in the middle, you see here in the middle, the money arrived 43 seconds ago from the Binance hot wallet. Okay, so this was really impressed for us of all. So today is the guy here. They show everything to us. And Mr. Felix, welcome to this presentation. Thank you that you be here with us. Maybe you can tell a little bit about yourself, why you are doing that. What is your vision? Why? A lot of people asking me, hey, when this guy have 120 million? I stop to work. I chill on the pool. I do nothing. Yes, my answer is always the same. Yeah, this is the reason why you never get 120 million. Why you do it too lazy? We are men. We want to build something. We will do something. And I tell also my people, hey, you see other multimillionaires, they don't stop. Also in the crypto space, we have Crypto, we have Carl the Moon, we have so many crypto influencers. They have hundreds of millions. But what they are doing, they make daily videos for you guys. They don't stop. They build so many things. Also, okay, Mr. Trump, you can love him, you can hate him. But also this guy is an old sucker, you know. He's 70 years old, this man, or 75 years. Normally he have to go to bed, to sleep, enjoy his life. They're multi-billionaire. But what he do, He got second time to be the president in America. And this is stress, guys. It's not be easy. But the guy will do something. Also, Mr. Tesla, Elon Musk, he have Tesla, cleared Tesla, have multi-billions. What he do, he creates Starlink and sending rockets to the universe. You know, there are many things. And Mr. Felix, I see he won't be a legend in this industry. He won't be that a guy there helping hundred thousands of people worldwide that earning passive income with his AI. Why be honest, strategy like that are possible, are working, but normally only for rich people. People they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 billion, they can buy these softwares and these engineers. But he doing for us, and he won't be one of the knowest people in the crypto industry. And I will be one guy that helping him to get a multi-billion company. Thank you, Felix, that you are here.
Yeah, remarkable introduction. Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Yeah, actually, yeah, my vision. You already give a good answer to this. Yes, on one hand, yes, I could buy my little island and sit there with a pina colada in my hammock. But I guess I have too many pens in my pants. I'm not a guy who can sit still, actually. Yeah, but why I'm doing it? Yes, on one hand, I want to become with my company one of the leading algorithm strategy providers in the crypto space. So to do this, you don't talk about 100 million, you probably have to add several zeros. But then there's another reason, and this is a private reason more. This has something to do even with my own family. When I remember back 30 years ago when I was a young boy, yeah, my father told me that in general, people in Germany, when they go to the bank and they want to have a financial product, yeah, their offer is something like 4% per year, 6% per year, maybe 10 when you are lucky. So, and yeah, and that what we have with return between 10 and 20% per month. Yeah, normally this was before only possible for very well-connected people with a good influence and already a big wallet or a big pocket. And this I will change now with the with our AI fund with Polar One. We will change it that as well ordinary people can join our fund, our financial service, what we have. I would say we are now jumping right in
Yes,
and
yes,
let's go
yes.
through the presentation.
Yeah, Mr. Felix, I think we have a lot of expert, and the most interesting part is we also want not steal your time.
Mhm.
Please go forward straight to the trading.
Perfect.
Show us your software. After that, we talk about the legal part that you also
Okay.
creating companies worldwide. Why I think this is the most important things that you have to understand, guys. And please listen now. What he create here is not normal. It's not one single man show, one trader. This is an army of 100 AIs. Ladies and gentlemen, you know how powerful are AIs. When you're working with different AI models, you see every week they will be better and better and better. I was shocked. I create myself bots and trading systems and things, and I'm not an IT guy. And I'm so shocked what is possible now with this thing. Oh, 1 year, I only focus on AI. And it's amazing what I can build with my knowledge. And he is an IT expert. And what he creating here on AI system is just amazing. And this is the software, what you see. And everything what you see here, we will prove you later live on the real life Binance account. So listen and ask questions for maybe two. So Felix, what you create here? What we see here
Yeah,
on this
this
screen?
is our self-developed software. We gave it the name Polar One. So let's start from the top. All right. So today is a good day for our trading system. We generated a profit of around 666,000 US dollar. So far today, we placed 22,900 trades already at the spot market. And when this day is over at 10 o'clock in the evening, we will have for sure more than 30,000 trades. Yeah, then we look at the last 30 days. You see that we have days where we have a loss inside. Yeah. I think it is impossible to create a software or to trade in the market without losing one trade. And yeah, we have the same small problem, but yeah, the positive side are much stronger. Yeah, our weekly performance is easily between 3 and 5%. When we look at the complete 22 months, how our fund developed, you see everything started beginning of April 2024 with my seed capital of $2 million. Now, in February, we exceeded over 110 million. But what you as well see on the graph is that we have no big plunge, no decline inside. It goes steadily up. And this means our system is running successful and stable. Further, in the last 22 months, we did not withdraw any money and we didn't add any funds. Yeah, we are trading only from Monday to Friday, from 8 in the morning until 10 in the evening, 14 hours a day. We need the liquidity in the market. That is the reason why we are not trading at the evening or Sunday night. And we only buy the five coins with the biggest market capitalization. Many people call it the old coins. They are in name Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Solana, and Cardano. But now that is the more interesting part for you. Let's go on live trading. You pay attention to the white lower corner. Now the first order is washing in. Bitcoin, then Ethereum and Ripple. Let's observe it for a moment. Okay, that looks better. The first 5 trades has been negative. Then we had 7 trades positive. And now sadly 4 where we have a loss. Yeah, and you see in general how it works. So now we can go over to our trade history. Genau, here are the 4 with losses, the 7 with profit, and here the with losses. Yeah, here we have our 11 million orders inside. How many are in total? 11,874,000 orders so far in the last 22 months. And each order we can open actually, and we can see a little how the software works. We work with expert prediction. Every expert has a different purpose. In total, we have 100. For this particular order, we received a signal from 88 experts. 44 on buy, 23 on hold, and 21 on sell. So the overall tendency was, of course, buy. 0.157 is not a very strong signal, but big enough, strong enough to trigger the AI to place this order. Yeah, and I can scroll here down in the experts and I can check each expert prediction, how strong they say buy. This goes from 0.0 to 1.0. And of course, the software is taking the statistic middle.
Yeah, Mr. Felix, can we compare this a little bit with 100 workers, 100 AIs? They make the decision, they buy or not?
Yeah, actually, yes. But the problem is with real people, they always have emotions inside.
Okay.
And my one is without any feelings.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And
You
and
know what I
also
mean? But no,
yeah,
but actually it's a similar thing. Yeah.
yeah. But they are they are normally when this is an AI, they have all knowledge about trading and charts and news and they know everything about what is in the internet. So there are 100 superhumans, AIs, something like that. And they're also learning about also decisions. Why I see you don't have so big drawdown anymore. It's more drawdown in the beginning, and it will be less and less the longer your product is in the market. Is that right?
Yes, if more capital we are trading, the smaller the drawdown will be.
Oh, nice, amazing. Yeah, and also men's and humans that don't can make 32,000 trades a day, right? That's not possible. Yeah,
No, I don't think they can do, yeah.
yeah, amazing, amazing.
So I would say let us go one time in our Binance account. and take a look
Yeah,
what's
maybe we
happening
choose,
here.
Felix, maybe we
Oh, we
choose
can
one
choose the
trade.
trade. Yeah, good
Yeah,
idea.
yeah. So maybe one of you can unmute himself and you can choose one of these trades and we will proven you these trades in the real Binance account. I don't know, maybe Christina here, Mr. Cool, Franco, Lady, Londi, maybe Londi, you want unmute yourself or other leader or customer and tell us what trade we have to show you in the Binance account. So maybe when nobody unmute yourself, Felix, scroll with your browser. Okay. It's just Londi. Okay. Hello, hello.
So, can we, hi, everyone.
Hello, hello.
I hope everyone is doing well. So, can you just check on the trade for the Solana?
Solana, okay, yeah. The
Or,
first or the second one?
XRP, let's say XRP.
This one?
This one.
Yes.
All right. So
Okay.
let me write it in my. The order has been placed at 5 o'clock, 11 minutes, 25 seconds. What is it? Solana order. We bought in total 716 pieces for a price of 91.36. So we go over here. All right, then orders. We go on spot orders. We have to go in our order history. And then we have to scroll a little back. The Binance account is running on London time, so we have to add 1 hour. So here in this system, it is 6 o'clock and 11 minutes. 6:22. There we have to go. Six 11:25. Here is it already. That's funny. All right, yeah, here is the order already, the Solana order. 6/11/25. We bought 91.36 pieces for a price of 716. Sorry, of course, the price was 91.36, and we bought in total 716 pieces. The profit was 0.4 cent. And this is a typical profit of 0.4 cent, of 1 cent even. Often I like to call this margin trading. Because in 1 second, often the profit is not very big, but we are always on the safe side because what shall happen in 1 second? So this goes to both sides in this case. All right, so let's start at the dashboard and I explain here 1 or 2 things. Firstly, of course, for us, it is so important that we pay the cheapest fees possible for each trade in the market. You know, when normal people trade, they pay maybe 1 or 2% of the value, and I or we only pay 0.01%. And this is because we have the VIP level 9. That is the highest level Binance is offering, the highest level with the cheapest fees. And yeah, to receive this VIP 9 level, there are 2 requirements. Requirement 1 is you have a monthly trading volume of at least $1 billion. And number 2 is that we have the BNB token or coin in our portfolio. That is this position here, the $4 million in BNBs. And the USD with 121 million, this is actually the actual fund. So let us go here 1 time in our profit and loss overview. So you can see how the software performed in the last 12 months. Profit and loss. I go on customized. The maximum is 12 months. We choose 12 months. And here we have 451% over 12 months, accumulated profit, of course. And here we have for each trading day 1 candle up, odd one candle down, and green is the massive color, and green is the profitable. The days where we generate a profit, yeah, that is, for example, one of the highest peak we ever had was 1.9 million. That is the day where we had to suffer the biggest loss. This was around 500,000 actually. No, here we are. Oh, as well, 1 million, but we received the payment back already on the following day. Anyway, don't, this is nothing to worry about. We have an average of at least 20%. And this is real trading. You have a day where a couple trades are not profitable, and you have trades they're profitable. Everything else would be for me suspicious.
Felix, maybe can you also show the last 30 days?
Yeah.
Why we are totally in a bear market now, and some people tell, yeah, the software working well, why everything go up the last 2 years, but the last 60 months or more, we are already entering a big bear market. So everything go down. Also now with the news from America with Epstein and co, Bitcoin collapse. But how our software react the last maybe from December on or from November on, you know? Let's do from October. Yeah, October, November, yeah.
So this is now something like the last 3 months roughly.
Yeah.
And you see,
Amazing.
you know, we have losses, but actually quite small here always inside. So wait, this I have to explain. These two things here, this is our BNB token, right? Normally, we are not trading at Saturday, Sunday, but when on a Sunday, my token goes up and down, that is the reason why we have here every day a candle inside. Because
Yes. And also
Hmm?
and also I think we never close a week with minus, right?
No, a week? No, never. Yeah. That is as well the reason why we make the distribution of all the commission and the earnings, we make it always once a week on Friday, because when we make it daily and we have a bad trading day, then you have to give me money. You understand? So we have to deduct something from your account, and this we don't want. So therefore, we make it once a week, and yeah, we always had a positive trading week. That is remarkable. 22 months of positive trading weeks. Yeah, so we always distribute earnings.
Yeah, that's amazing. This is also proven that your software can trade in both sides. There's always space for make some profit. And what is the nice part? When the beer market stop and we come on the bottom and we go up again, the profit will much higher again. And I'm really happy that we are in the start here, that we also can go back up with you together with the software and making huge profits. So nice.
Yeah, often people want to know, do you really deposit the money or something like this? So, okay, let's go quick inside. Go on our deposit history, asset history, deposits. I choose crypto, and I go back to the day